Hi everybody. Today, it's really nice. 65, starting to warm up, springtime. I was thinking I'm gonna do a little nature walk down to the creek by our house. So I'm just gonna take a little nature walk, record it, find something neat, hopefully, nature walk. Sorry if it's shaky. I'm just shaky and it's kind of bumpy. And I don't hold cameras very still. I'm just a shaky kind of person, I guess. That's how you want to say it. Burb. We just walked down here yesterday too. It's like 50. And there was snow here. Or not a lot, just a couple piles here and there, like over there. But right over there, there's a lot of snow. And it's gone. It melted. It done melted. I guess there's still a little snow over here. Yeah, there's just a little snow. Yeah, there's still some snow, but not as much as there was yesterday. I'll tell you that much. This little well right there. A little deer path. Poo pile. Bottom text. Poo trail. Bottom text. Top text. Hole. Guga. Oomba. Ooh, I see a stick. You know I can't refuse that. Burbland. Lake Creek. I shall now claim Lay Creek. Very epic. So yeah, as you can see, creek, water, very nice. Water there too, some water, very nice. Mud, stinky dinky. Uh-oh, stinky dinky. Try to walk down a little without stepping in mud. But yeah, there's no way I'm stepping past here. It still looks nice too. Okay. This. The Oomba. Poo pile. Bottom tech.